Do you have any comforters or bed sheets or anything that after wash and dry it gets fuzzy and now it's so bothersome when you use it at night? This is one of them. I have one and I just realized that these fuzzy things actually comes off. Okay, but there's no way I can pick this, and if you just do a lint remover it doesn't really come off. So I was like thinking and realized that maybe a shaver can help, and guess what, it did. Look at that, look at that fuzzy stuff coming off. All right, I'm using one hand and one hand videotaping, so it takes longer, but when I have two hands it's actually faster. So look at this, now it comes off. Look at that. So look at the stuff, the part that I used, that I did so far, and all the part that I have to do. It's a lot more, but you know what, it's worth it because this is my favorite comforter. It's my favorite.